What are epigenetic switches? In the world of biology, epigenetic switches are molecular mechanisms that regulate how genes are turned on or off without changing the underlying DNA sequence. These switches are essential for controlling the developmental trajectories of single cells, influencing how they grow and differentiate. Understanding epigenetic regulation is crucial for unlocking the secrets of cellular development, and new research is shedding light on this complex process.
How epigenetic switches influence cell fate. Epigenetic switches play a critical role in determining the fate of individual cells by controlling gene expression. During development, cells must decide which functions they will take on, whether that's becoming a muscle cell, a neuron, or any other type of specialized cell. Epigenetic modifications, such as DNA methylation and histone modification, act as signals that help guide cells down specific developmental paths. Decoding the developmental trajectories of single cells. Recent studies have focused on identifying the exact epigenetic switches that influence the developmental trajectories of single cells. By mapping these molecular changes, scientists are beginning to understand how different environmental factors and internal signals can activate or silence specific genes. This decoding process is key to figuring out how cells transition from a stem cell state to their final, differentiated form. The role of environmental factors in epigenetic regulation. Environmental factors, such as nutrition, stress, and toxins, can affect the way epigenetic switches operate. For instance, exposure to certain chemicals can trigger changes in DNA methylation patterns, which in turn can influence how a cell develops. By understanding how external influences impact epigenetic regulation, researchers are exploring potential therapies that could correct abnormal cell development or treat diseases linked to epigenetic misregulation. Why understanding epigenetic switches matters. Understanding epigenetic switches offers a new frontier in medical science. These discoveries have implications for treating diseases like cancer, where epigenetic errors can lead to uncontrolled cell growth. Additionally, epigenetic therapies are being explored for regenerative medicine, where we may one day control how cells develop to replace damaged tissues or organs. The future of healthcare could be shaped by our ability to manipulate these molecular switches.
Epigenetic switches are crucial regulators of single-cell development, determining how cells grow and differentiate by controlling gene expression. Recent research has uncovered key insights into how these switches function, with environmental factors playing a significant role in their regulation. Understanding epigenetic mechanisms opens up exciting possibilities for treating diseases and advancing regenerative medicine. Zero Fat TV. Thanks for watching. Think different. Like, share, comment, subscribe. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Rich Hamilton.